Hi, first of all, I want to thank you for your interest in our lawn mowing service. I want to take just a moment and tell you what you're going to get with our lawn mowing service. When you sign up with us, we will assign your lawn to a specific day and time of week. When we set that time, you can count on us being there each and every week without fail. The only exception to this would be bad weather. You can count on us coming the same day and pretty close to the same time each week. If there is ever a change in the schedule, we will let you know in advance so that you're not ever wondering, what's going on with my lawn mowing service? When we arrive at your property, we will cut your lawn, we'll bag the grass, we'll haul it away. This is really great as it makes your lawn look perfect and clean every time. A lot of companies don't take the time to bag your grass and can leave it looking messy sometimes. We will also trim around all of the areas that the lawnmower can't get to, around trees, flower beds, sidewalks, your patio, playground equipment, and so on. After that, we will take a hard blade edger and we'll cut a nice vertical line around all of your sidewalks, driveways, your patio. That is the clean line look that everyone loves. It looks super nice. Once all the mowing and edging is complete, we will blow off all the debris created by the mowing service from your driveways, sidewalks, front porch, and also your back patio. After all that is complete, we will make sure to close your gate and make sure everything is looking great before we leave your property. Let our office know if you have any further questions at all about this service, and we look forward to working with you. Have a great day. Bye.